Hey everybody, it's Mike Weller from the Weller Group at Keller Williams Realty in Yorba Linda. We are here with our monthly Yorba Linda market update for August 2022. So we're looking back at Yorba Linda, taking a look at the last 3 months, May, June, July, comparing it to the previous 3 months, comparing it to the same 3 month period last year, 2021. As always, we are looking at the overall market, but also condos and townhomes, entry-level single-family, mid-price single-family, and luxury market. So overall in Yorba Linda, the last quarter, the average price actually dropped 2.5%. So we went back from February, March, April, we were at 1.433 million, and then May, June, July, we were at 1.397 million. So it's a 2.5% drop off in the average price. The median home price was virtually the same, 1.273 versus 1.27. Dollars per square foot was up just a tiny bit from 574 to 578 here. The overall days on market in Yorba Linda went from 12 days on market to 14 days on market. So a little bit longer, but nothing significant. The big number shift here is the inventory. We had 0.7 months of inventory back 3 months ago. We had 0.7 months of inventory the same time last year. Right now we have 1.7 months of inventory. So that's the biggest shift number you will see there. In the different categories, townhomes and condos, prices are actually up. Townhomes and condos, $512 per square foot, up to $530 per square foot. So that's a 3.5% increase in that time period. Days on market went from 11 days to 13 days. The inventory has grown from 0.6 months of inventory to now there's 1.5 months of inventory. In the days on market shift is much more significant in the other price ranges. So even in the single family homes under $1 million in Yorba Linda, we went from 8 days on market to 15 days on market. In the 1 million to 1.5 million mid-range category, we have gone from 8 days on market to 16 days on market. And then here's a super interesting one. Houses 1.5 million and above, we went from 18 days on market down to 12 days on the market in that category. So the homes that have sold in that category are actually selling that much faster. But overall, I think less homes are selling in the 1.5 million and up category here in Yorba Linda. So anyway, the dollars per square foot in that category has gone up from 574 to 583. That's a 1.6% increase. In the homes under $1 million, kind of interesting, we went from 627 a square foot, a drop down to $588 per square foot. So kind of interesting there. Anyway, so that's where we're at in the Yorba Linda market here in August of 2022. When we come back next month, we're going to be looking at numbers for the summer. So June, July, August, we're going to see, I think, some of the numbers we talked about here today a little bit more pronounced. Maybe some of the numbers with slight pullbacks. So we're going to see a little bit more pullback in the pricing when we check in on the numbers next month. So anyway, hope you're doing well. If you have any questions about your specific home or your neighborhood in Yorba Linda, check in with me. We have all those stats as well on a neighborhood by neighborhood basis. So anyway, take care. Hope you're enjoying your summer. See you next month. Take care.